Yo, this is the craziest E-Moto of 2026. Before we get into the video, this is my brand Pure Euphoria, which will be dropping sometime soon. Alright guys, so it feels like there's a new mini E-Moto dropping like every week now, but this one is actually different. This thing is basically taking the power of a Tuttio and adding even more on top of it. They're adding 500 more watts, and you can actually tell this thing's built to be pushed. But that's not even the craziest part. They combined it with an auto-wheelie controller. So you have more power and a completely different riding feature, and somehow it's still coming in under $2,000. And that's exactly why I had to get my hands on one early. Now let's see if it actually lives up to all that. I'm not gonna go crazy on specs, but just so you know, this thing's running a 3,000 watt motor and hits around 37 miles per hour or even a little more. Honestly, none of that even compared to this. This bike literally wheelies itself. Guys, it's a Yai Chai battery, not a Chai. Alright guys, so we're on the AnyLand. And we're gonna start off not on the wheelie mode. We're just gonna kind of ride around, hit some jumps, hit some street, and then we'll go on the wheelie mode. Oh yeah, we have another special guest as always. What? Yeah. This thing, the hum is so nice. It's hard to wheelie without the wheelie mode. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the auto wheelie mode on later, so first we're gonna ride without it. Yo, wheelie!
How about me?
Yeah. Oh! But yeah, this thing has really good suspension. The forks are actually longer than the ones on the Tuttios and High Nights and all those other bikes like that. Way better suspension. It handles way better too. I don't know what about it, but it definitely does. Yeah, no, but guys, this feels like it looks, from the top, it looks like it's already a triple X to me at least. It has the skinny seat, and up here, bro, you guys cannot lie, it looks like a Stark Varg, a mini Stark Varg with this, like, thing right here. That's the first thing I noticed. The brakes are so good, locks up the rear wheel instantly, look. That locked up. Front brake, locks up. Only thing I don't like is the thumb throttle. I wish that could be a full twist, but obviously it's a new bike, so yeah. When you're wheeling though, I mean honestly I haven't even used the twist throttle, they're all connected, so I've been using the thumb throttle for wheelies and literally every riding. Thumb throttle, it's so nice, but I mean a full twist would be better, but still. The seat is really comfy. It's like perfect size. It's got the surron fender in the front, which looks nice. Yeah, I really like the bike. I swapped this for an ODI grip because I like the look better. The other grip was kind of slippery, I guess, but suspension is so much better on this bike than all the others I have. The pegs mounted good. They're not gonna snap like the Tuttio. Oh, the torque is really nice on this. It accelerates really good. It's got thick moto tires, which helps for the dirt. Honestly, it's one of my favorite bikes for like off-road and street. It's kind of like a great hybrid. I really liked what this company did. All these other mini bikes are coming out, but they made a better little E-Moto and put an auto-wheelie controller on it for so cheap. I honestly don't know how they did that. It pops up so easily. What I really like about this bike is how they didn't make it like all these other mini bikes coming out. Like, they made it different in its own way, which was the wheelie controller. And even without the wheelie controller, this is such a nice bike because it has a little bit differences that are better. But yeah, we're gonna go hit a little bit more street. We're gonna go hit some jumps, and then finally we're gonna turn the Auto-wheelie controller on and get some clips. So let's do it. You guys aren't gonna have to worry about battery life on this. Honestly, it just lasts a while. All right, we're taking the AnyLand to a couple jumps, and yeah. Oh, I love the sound of this. Let's gun it. Wait, we gotta hit that. Okay, good control. See if I can get air on this. I'm not even scared about blowing the suspension, bro. It's so good. Alright, so right now we're going to a little bit of a bigger jump that you can get a lot more air on, and then when we come back, it's time for the Auto-wheelie controller. This thing handles so nice in the dirt. It's like built for dirt, but then when you turn that Moxon controller on, it's built for street. I love how they did that. I love the frame. Probably my favorite frame that I have. Oh crap. Yeah, but probably my favorite frame. I don't know. I just like how it's built. Woo! Oh. Whip. Ooh. Let's get some dirt track action. Whew. This thing handles so nice. Where's the jump? Oh. Haven't hit this in a while. I honestly think this is the perfect bike if you're on a low budget but you want to have something to ride on street and dirt and also be really fun, because this thing handles crazy off-road, as you can see. It handles super good on street, which you're about to see, and it has a Moxon controller for have fun, which is great. This is like an all-around mini E-Moto. Sizing is honestly not even that small. But we're gonna go ahead and take this to the street, test out the Moxon. Alright, we're gonna go test out the Moxon controller, and obviously I've tested it out before, but we're gonna go ahead and show it off and see what I can do with it. Ooh. Alright, let's send it on this trail. I was just about to say, I need to turn my light on. I forgot to talk about it. This thing has so many lights. It has the yellow light, it's got the white light, it's got both combined. It has blue and red lights like a cop. It has flashing blue and red lights. It's got flashing white and yellow. They outdid themselves with the colors for the light. It was crazy. Alright, we're on the auto-wheelie mode, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So just to, if you guys need to switch it out, you hold the plus and minus button, you navigate to P12, and then you hit the power button and go up your modes. I'm on mode 3, which is 45 degrees, so let's go ahead and hit it. One-hander right here, hold up. Off balance, hold on. The torque, not great right now, hold on. There we go, one-hander. Oh yeah. Here's what the knee knocker looks like. It goes really far back. And then drop it back. Cruising one-handers. So easy to crank out one-handers, dude. Okay, I'm about to hit a one-hander, and he's gonna give me a high five so I can show you guys how easy it is to crank out one-handers like this. Woo! There we go. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video for the AnyLand review, and we took this on dirt, street, we tested the Auto-wheelie controller, we tested everything down to the wheels, and this is honestly such a great bike for the price that it gives, so I'll have the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.